How to block and remove ads from Facebook and Messenger app. So if you want to block or remove ads from your Facebook or Messenger application, then first you need to open up your Facebook. After that, go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, you need to go with the account center, where you will find the ad preferences. Tap on ad preferences. Once you go with the ad preferences, now you need to select an ad that you don't like to view or that you would like to block or remove. Now here on the bottom you will have hide ads. You need to just go with hide ads and that ad will be hidden. And you can go back and do that same with all the other advertisers that you saw ads from, or you can go with manage info, and from the manage info you need to go with categories used to reach you, and from here you need to go with your employer, tap on no. Job title, go with no. Every option you need to just go and tap on no. Go with audience based advertising, and after that here also you need to just go and tap on turn off and go with showing you ads from ad partners. This also you need to go with don't show me ads from the ad partners. And once you turn off all of these settings right here, then you will basically remove or block the ads from your Facebook and Messenger application. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.